What's up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you. I know you guys already saw the title of this video and you're thinking, Luke, what the heck are you talking about? Amazon is not impossible to sell on. There's people making hundreds of thousands of dollars every year selling on Amazon. As a matter of fact, 39.6% of sellers are making over 100 grand a year in revenue. So it's really not that hard to do for the majority of people selling on Amazon. But why am I saying is it impossible? As a matter of fact, it is for some of these big sellers. What I mean by this is the fact that just happening in the month of May, Amazon has now made it so that sellers that had all these big budgets that could go out and get a ton of free reviews on their products, they're no longer allowed to do this. Amazon has actually removed thousands and hundreds of thousands of reviews from different people selling on Amazon, and what this has done is actually make a much more level playing field for all of these other new guys getting into this field. Amazon is not allowing more than 3 unverified reviews in the same day to go out on a listing, nor is it allowing more than 7 verified reviews to hit a listing all in the same day. So it's really being more stringent on the review possibilities for people to get reviews, and a lot of those that have already gotten fake reviews from Facebook groups and things like that, Amazon's actually tracked those out and canceled reviews from these big time sellers. So what this means for brand new sellers, it means it's a lot more level playing field, and there's no better time to really start and hop in selling on Amazon. Amazon is still acquiring a ton of things, and it's really just up to you guys to get in and learn this process to start selling and get on it as fast as you possibly can. So the opportunity is definitely not going anywhere anytime soon, and as Amazon adds more challenges to this platform for people to sell on, it makes it more complicated, which makes it more wise for people just starting to actually invest in an Amazon course and get a mentor to actually walk them through everything, because there's a ton of people that will just wing it and go watch YouTube videos and think that that's all they need, but really when they get in a dire situation and they don't have someone to call on, that's when it can really hurt the most. Getting a course like the one I offer, which is linked right down below in my description, is going to be a one-way ticket to pretty much success with you guys. I've taken 3 other Amazon courses: the Kevin David's Ninja course, Tanner J. Fox's Amazon Seller Mastery course, as well as the Amazing Selling Machine Amazon course, which was just amazing. So I've taken concepts from all of these and put them into my course. I only have 15 students at the moment, so it's really a great thing for you guys to just utilize me and my personal mentorship that I'm going to provide. I did make a new pricing plan option as well, so I have one option for $297. You're only going to get 2 months of mentorship compared to the $397 option, which is going to give you 4 months of mentorship. So it's no big deal, guys. You guys really should invest in this. When you look at things like Viral Launch that are $400 just to launch your product, I mean, there's so many more efficient ways to do that by building email lists and Facebook lists and getting excited customers ready to buy your product before you even launch it. That's what it's all about, guys. So I cover all this in the course, and I hope you guys will join on in, because it's not just making money for me, it's going to be me building kind of the credibility for myself after helping my students become successful. This is what I'm trying to do on this channel. I've taught people as much as I possibly could. Now I made a 65 video, everything you possibly could want to know in that course. So it's all there for you guys. I came out with the new pricing plan, and basically Amazon is only going to be impossible for those that thought they could just wing it and pay 100 grand and get 50,000 reviews on all their products or something crazy like that. So that's no longer going to be the case. It's a level playing field. We're going to do it by the books, following Amazon's terms of service and doing it the right way, so you have no problem with account suspensions or anything like that. So guys, I hope you like this video. Amazon is not impossible. It's not dead. There's more challenges coming into it, which is going to make it harder for others to even want to enter this market, which is going to make it less saturated all in all. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel for more content. We just hit our 206th video. That's my area code 206, baby. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.